Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we're making chicken parmesan. Here's all the ingredients you need to serve 4 people. You need 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, a dash of garlic powder, a dash of pepper. You're also going to need about 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, and a cup of milk. Oh, and you also need some oregano, about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm using some that we got out of our garden and that we had dried. You need about 2 pounds of chicken parts. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm also going to be doubling this recipe, so that's why I have so much of everything. So in a bowl, I am adding my breadcrumbs and then my Parmesan cheese. Next is the oregano and then the garlic powder and then the pepper. And it was at this time that I was preheating my oven to 400. I washed off my chicken and dried it off a little bit with paper towel. And then I dipped it into the breadcrumb mix, making sure everything was coated really well. And then I stuck it in the oven. Bake uncovered, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up, so I'm gonna flip these all over and I'm gonna put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes. While these are cooking, I'm going to make a sauce to put over them. All right, so we have our butters melted. I've got the milk and flour in here. And we're just going to whisk it until it thickens and makes a roux. And I'm going to add salt and pepper to it. The roux is all done. I'm just waiting for the chicken to get done. I'm going to flip them over again. I'm going to add the sauce on top and put them in there for another 20 minutes. There is all the sauce, and I did, because these are bigger than I normally use, I did cut into them to make sure they were getting done, and they are. So now I just need to put these in for another 20 minutes, and then they should be ready to eat. Yum, yum. And here they are, all finished. Served them with some green beans, and everybody loved them. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.